Good evening, everyone. Happy Research Day. Once again, this is Doc Del, your professor in research. So, this time we are going to continue our discussion on research local. No? So, this is our focus because the last time our focus was the making of your research design. So this time we will have to do how are you going to make your research local. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education and business research, you will always be updated. This time, we are going to continue our discussion, and our focus tonight is on the making of your research local. Research local. So local must be spelled with L-O-C-A-L-E. Okay. So doon sa guidelines, no, sa ating guidelines in writing a research proposal, merong tanong doon that if your local is a product, how will you be able to convince the buyers to purchase your product? So this time, hihingi na naman tayo ng tulong sa AI. Okay, so let's go back to our research titled Customer Preferences and Satisfaction Among Tea Shops in Butuan City. Okay, so ito yung gagawin natin. Lagyan natin ng hypothetical, para AI would be able to discuss hypothetically the place Butuan City, no? Hypothetically provide the discussion of the research local. Okay. Research local, which is Butuan. Okay, which is Butuan City. Okay. And then relate this local to the context of the study. Okay. Do it in a paragraph form. Yan. Then, let's click the prompt. Okay, so, meron na, no? Butuan City, nestled in the northeastern part of Mindanao, Philippines, serves as a vibrant and culturally rich locale for the study on consumer preferences and satisfaction among tea shops. As the regional center of Caraga, Butuan City experiences a dynamic blend of urban development and traditional charm, fostering a diverse consumer base with varying tastes and expectations. The city's growing economy and increasing exposure to global trends have contributed to the rise of a vibrant food and beverage scene, including a burgeoning tea culture. However, despite this promising landscape, the specific preferences and satisfaction levels of tea shop customers in Butuan City remain largely unexplored. This study aims to fill this knowledge gap, providing valuable insights to local businesses and entrepreneurs navigating this emerging market. By understanding the unique dynamics of Butuan City's consumer base, this research seeks to empower tea shops to tailor their coffee offerings, enhance customer experiences, and foster loyalty ultimately contributing to the growth and sustainability of the local industry. Okay, no? So if you try to look at this, maganda naman ang pagka-discuss no, ng lokal, no? So meron siyang introductory part na Butuan City could be located in the northeastern part of Mindanao, Philippines, and then the succeeding sentences relates to the focus of the study. So with this, pwede na natin siyang kunin and then ilagay na natin siya dito. Okay, so what will you do? This one. Okay, Arial. And then justify. So pwede natin siyang ilagay doon para mag-continue yung double spacing. Okay, so this is already Arial 12. So with this, you have now the discussion of your research local. No, very simple. So it's up to you if you are going to contextualize this. No, basahin nyo talaga so that you would be able to know kung yung mga sentences, yung mga wordings na nailagay dyan ay tama and it coincide doon sa focus ng inyong study. So, next time, our next concern is on the making of your respondents and sampling. So, but this time, no, so yung gagawin ninyo, you are going to add on, no, kasi doon sa ibabaw, ando na yung research design, it follows with your research local. So, I hope may natutunan na naman kayo sa paggawa ng research sa gabing ito. And thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and happy research writing.